So you know guys, ito na guys, sobrang daming tao guys. Hello guys, wait na lang guys. Bye guys. So many people pa rin guys, no? Ano guys? Pakita ko sa inyo guys, wait lang.
Low sound check. Low sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Sir Marvin. Timothy.
Wala na guys.
Umuwi na na baby, hindi na ako sanay na wala ka, hindi ako na-miss
Sayang storage.
So ano guys, napaka-solid yung student height guys ng first day ng foundation namin guys. Napaka-solid. Yan mo naman guys, mayroon pa siyang patalon-talon dyan, no? Kala mo naman magaling sumayaw. You know guys, napaka-solid talaga dyan guys. Kasama ko yung mga classmate ko dyan guys. Yan, napaka-solid dyan guys. Naman, bababa pa yung camera niya, no? Naiya pa siya. Hindi niya pa tinaas na guys. Tapos maya rin guys, tataas na rin yan. So you know guys, napaka-solid yan guys. Tapos nakasama pa namin dyan yung MM1F guys. Yan, napaka-solid din nila guys. Solid silang kasama guys, napaka-solid guys. Yan guys, patalon-talon din sila guys. Siyempre, student night lang guys, kailangan masaya tayo dyan. Bawal malungkot dyan guys, no? Napaka-solid yung gabi na yan guys. Wala akong masasabi dyan guys, kundi lang solid guys. Student night, sobrang solid guys. So you know guys, salamat guys. Thank you, bye.
ご覧いただきありがとうございます。
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from Little Yas to each of you. Content creators.